ay tungkol doon sa pag-aksyon ng Secretary General
Mhm.
na inendorso niya na, sinubmit na sa Office of the Speaker of the House
Mm.
ang dalawang reklamong impeachment against the Vice President.
Oo.
At ito nga ay nasa opisina ni Speaker Bongie D.
Mhm.
At sa loob ng 10 araw ay kinakailangang ito ay mai-calendar.
Mm.
At in 3 days after that, it must be referred to the Committee on Justice.
Oh,
Pero
oo.
ang problema ditong nakikita ko, partner,
Mm.
ay yung sinabi ng Supreme Court sa desisyon nito noong 2025 na kailangang ang susunod na reklamo against the Vice President, if ever there will be, must start, no, yung lifting of the one-year bar rule
Mm.
is on February 6. Itong dalawang
That is
reklamo na
today, partner, ah.
isinampa,
That is today. Mm.
yes, today dapat kanina lang nag-start ang filing. But the
Oo.
problem, the legal problem that I can see here is the fact that they filed the impeachment complaint on February 2, which is
Hmm.
contrary to the 2025 decision of the
Oo.
Supreme Court. And if you will try to look at the January 29 decision, you can see nothing that revised
Mm.
this decision of 2025 as regard this lifting of the one-year bar rule. So
Mhm.
dito magkakaroon to ng banggaan ng talino ng mga
Oh.
abogado ni
Ano nga yun?
Vice President
Battle of
Duterte.
Battle of the ano?
Battle of the Brainstorm.
Oo, naku, utak sa utak.
Magandang abangan to, ha.
Mm.
Ako
Mm.
to, sarili lang naman nating analysis to, partner, no? Hindi naman natin sinasabing tayo ay tama dito. Pero ang basehan naman natin dito ay ang desisyon ng Korte Suprema
Mm.
at ang umiiral na probisyon sa ilalim ng ating saligang
Batas.
batas.
Mhm.
So gagawa tayo ng legal analysis kung ito bang impeachment complaint na against Vice President
Sara.
Sara Duterte will prosper
Mm.
or mapupunta lang to sa basurahan
Mm.
for violation of the law of the case, no, na
Mm.
dinesisyonan no 2025.
Oo.
Ayan.
Ayun nga, partner, ang isa ilan nating mga pagpoprograma at episode dito, yung nga sinasabi mo, dapat pag-isipang mabuti.
Ayan na.
Mag-usap-usap sila. Kasi baka ang pangamba natin dito, partner, mauwi rin sa wala. Ayun.
Oo nga. So kung mapapansin mo, partner, ay
Mm.
hindi gaanong kumikibo ang defense team, no, yung legal defense team ng Vice
Tahimik,
Presidente
tahimik,
na
partner.
may
Oo.
kaugnayan dito sa impeachment complaint.
Complain. Mm.
Ikaw ba, matanong kita, ikaw ba ay meron ka bang naiisip kung bakit tahimik sila o natural lang sa kanila ang tahimik?
Alam mo, partner, may kasabihan nga tayo na delikado ang tahimik. 'Di ba?
Mapanganib?
Mapanganib ang tahimik. Nag-iisip yan ng mga strategiya, partner, ng mga hakbangin yan. At bigla na lamang yung boom. O, yun, partner.
Yan ang iniisip ko sapagkat kanina nga nung ito ay ma-refer na sa Office of the Speaker of the
Mm-mm.
House, ang aking iniisip dito ay the moment
Mm-mm.
the Office of the Speaker referred the matter
Mm.
to the Committee on Justice, that will be the time that the defense team of the Vice President
President.
will institute the legal action to
Oo.
nullify the
Oh.
referral of the impeachment complaints against the Vice
President.
President.
Oo, oo.
Why? Because of premature filing and violation of
Nako.
the one-year bar rule as provided
Mm-mm.
for under the 1987 Constitution. Diyan
Mm.
kikilos bigla yan. At
Oo.
in order to prevent the Committee on Justice
Mm-mm.
from conducting a hearing, no, Yung tinatawag nating determination of sufficiency in form and sufficiency in substance, the legal team of the Vice President perhaps might file a petition sa Supreme Court for prohibition and certiorari.
Yun. Lagi tayo
Ayan.
naririnig yun certiorari, partner. Oo.
Para inalify,
Oo,
burahin
burahin.
sa
Oo.
kanilang whiteboard yung inirefer na committee, inirefer na complaint sa Committee on Justice. At yung prohibition naman ay upang pigilan sila na ipagpatuloy ang pag-conduct ng hearing dyan sa Committee on Justice because of the violation of the law.
Oo. Now, given partner, ganun ang mangyari, file na lang naman uli. File lang ng file. Partner.
That will prevent them from filing the impeachment complaint against the Vice President, just like what happened to the impeachment complaint against the President Marcos. Kasi kapag sinabing, teka, nagsampa kayo, premature filing, it should have been filed on February 6. Pinail ninyo ng February 2. So you violated the one-year bar rule. If you violated the one-year bar rule, you are already stopped from filing another impeachment complaint in the House of Representatives. So to give a peace of mind on the part of the Vice President na mag-isip siya na maya't maya pinasampahan ako na reklamo impeachment. So if the defense, the legal team of the Vice President will become successful in filing the prohibition and the certiorari doon sa Korte Suprema, then tapos ang laban. Walang impeachment proceedings that will happen in the House and in the Senate impeachment court. Everything will become useless and wala na namang kabuhay-buhay.
Oo nga. Nako. Sabi ni Mari Nanali, Attorney Bueno, nagkalituhan na kasi dahil session days to calendar days. Oo. Ordinary person.
That computation is not applicable in this case.
Oo.
Applicable to in this case but not in the previous.
Not in the previous.
Case.
Oo.
Attorney Bueno, law and the law, learn the law, know your